Hello members, this is Dr. Leo at Lead Time. So gonna make another member only video. Let's talk about how to make a blend hydrosol. So last video I was talking about hydrosol for post sunburn recovery, and I give you a list of my favorite hydrosols. So the lavender, the Roman chamomile, those two are great for soothing, reduce the redness, reduce inflammation. Cucumber and a peppermint hydrosol, those have a cooling effect, great for hydration and reduce the pain. And the last one is the go-to color that help the skin regeneration, because after our skin broke or even peeled off, then we need to regenerate. So that's the 5 herbs I like most, recommend you try. And the last herb actually is witch hazel. Witch hazel has a lot of benefits, including hydrating, antioxidants, recovering, and wound healing. But because it's kind of strong, so when you have the broken skin or sensitive, quite sensitive, that may be a little bit too strong for you if you use it straight. And but you can always dilute it or use with other hydrosol together, just kind of balance its effects. So when we are making the hydrosol, if we want to make a hydrosol has multiple functions. For example, the 5 herbs I talk about, the problems they are solving, like the inflammation, redness, the pain, cooling, and regeneration, right? Then we need to blend different hydrosols together. So the first way is kind of the easy way, after you make your hydrosol, and then you can mix the different hydrosol together. For example, you make your lavender hydrosol, you make your rose hydrosol, you make your rosemary hydrosol, you make your rose geranium hydrosol. You can mix the hydrosol you made together, and those more like a cocktail. So you kind of layer them together, so all the hydrosols already, because they already finished, so already seasoned. We talk about after we're making the hydrosol, then you want to have a little time before you use it. Let the hydrosol settle and give it a little season time. So let it, just like a perfume, right? You wanted them, blend and mix well and settle, then you can feel the difference. So that's because it already matured after the hydrosol made, after they already matured. Then we basically just mixing the sugar with the salt together. So that's the first way. And the second way is today I'm demonstrating you how to make a co-distillation with different herbs together. So this way is like when you are making a wine by mixing different grapes together, or with your the herbs or seasons together with your grape before you ferment them. So all make a tea, right? You blend the dry leaf together and then infusion them together. So this way is a little different with just mixing the hydrosol together, because this way you give them energy and help them infusion together. So, and in this video I will demonstrate you how to do the co-distillation with multiple herbs. So this method is we mix herbs together before we do the distillation to make the hydrosol. And this way, so the herbs, they can have a good infusion during the the steam distillation. So steam will heat the herbs, and then their phytochemicals will work together before they come out. So this will have a better the blending effect and the synergetic the effect rather than just mixing of the cold hydrosol. So I'm using ADI to make the hydrosol today. Add the water, add about 2 liter, a little bit more than 2 liter, because I expect just making a 1 liter after I fill this basket full, and then just use either filter water or distilled water. With ADI, you can make your distilled water and then use that water for the hydrosol making. Also, I bring a little bowl so I can mix the herbs together. The 3 herbs I use today is peppermint. So this is a peppermint. I'm gonna try to make a equal amount of all 3 herbs. And the second one is lavender. Same. So lavender has anti-inflammation. It can help soothing and reduce the redness on the skin. And the peppermint is help just cooling and reduce the pain. Then the last one I like most is 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂. 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 is help the skin regeneration. So this one, just using the leaves or stems, the 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂. So just mix them. Pretty simple. It's like making a tea, right? So you mix them together and then infuse, so that can make you a blend of the flavor. Just adding. Pretty good. So all the hydrosol will be collected here. So we're gonna do the distillation today. So okay, it's hydrosol made. It's smell really good, and then bottle it. So just remember, always give a time, let the hydrosol settle before use it. Because hydrosol need a little time, for them to be ready. It's very gentle and it's still very perfumery. What I mean gentle is it's not like a strong, you know, it's kind of irritating. It's very soft on the skin and also carry a beautiful smell. It's definitely like a combination of smell. Lavender take a big role in here because it's stronger, but it's not like a pure lavender. It's so yeah, so it's really about how you formulate the blend. It depends on your, you know, preference on making a different, like a combination, and amount of herb you use in your combination. That will give you a lot of freedom. You know, the ADI give you a lot of freedom to invent, to make your own special recipe. It's I think this is the reason, you know, I designed the ADI. Is I want everybody can enjoy the botanics, enjoy the benefits from different herbs. Thank you for watching, and please let me know your questions. So questions from the members are very important. You know, I wanna have your question being answered. And again, yeah, thank you, and let's see you next time.